Our last full day today. Ito yung mga pinamili kong sapatos, oh. Mexico 66 SD. Price na nasa 240,000 won. Ito 140,000 won. Mexico 66 slip-on. Tsaka ito. Ganda. Ito talaga ang gusto kong bilhin kasi ano eh. Madaling isuot, wala kasing ano, sintas. Last day in Myeongdong. Last full day. Di pa rin kami nakakapunta ng tower. Wala na. Nagkakatamadan na. Maybe 6 months or 1 year before we come here again. What do you think? I'm so close to mine. You want wig, Mama? No. You have wig? Gaga. I don't need that yet. I don't need it yet.
No, it's nice though. Oh, you can have extension.
Ah, maybe extension, yes. But they're so fast. Last full day today. Yeah. At kami babalik na bukas. Tomorrow going back to the summer feeling. Summer feeling. feeling. Kami tao. Every day, I have to say, last full day. As usual, you always see this this street for us to eat. Papa still has to buy his shoes, you know. Ito kami sa Samgyeopsal ulit. Kung saan kami kumain ng unang araw namin dito sa Korea. Go order anak.
펩시 하나랑요. 그 펩시 제로 하나 더.
Galing mag-Korean.
Okay, go ahead na.
So, nandito na naman kami sa Samgyeopsal. Kasi last full day na namin ngayon. Kaya Samgyeopsal kami ngayon. Diba, Sini? Samgyeopsal. Mamimiss namin to. Samgyeop. Ayan sila. At this. Look at the real kimchi, diba? Real kimchi. Veggies. Sarap. Tapos ang ito yung mga meat. Yeah, also put some nuts for my finger.
Wow. Jjigae, pork, I don't know what kind of pork. And
Pork
then
belly.
we have beef intestine.
How do you say pork belly in
What is it?
I have no idea. Samgyeopsal maybe?
Do you want this?
I don't know actually.
Are you gonna eat it?
I'm gonna eat it.
But we can put it, you know.
Oi.
Oh, wait. This one or somebody needs to eat.
Got
For mama.
for mama. Before we go back to Abu Dhabi, grab all your kimchi and all your pork and then your salad, even though there's salad probably in Abu Dhabi, and kimchi
More yung kimchi.
and kimchi jjigae and more pork and whatever that is. My favorite bean sprouts and yan in Abu Dhabi.
Does it one more?
Like this? Like this? Let me try.
Chang! Wow, bituka.
Like this? Like this? Let me try.
Now she's not gonna eat it.
Wow, bituka.
Like this? Like this? Let me try.
Chang!
Now she's not gonna eat it.
Wow, bituka. Bye, Myeongdong. See you next year. Preparing na naman sila ng kanilang street food. Kami naghahanap kami ng ng sapatos pa rin. Walang katapos ng sapatos ng asawa ko. Sapatos na naman. Walang katapos ng sapatos. Shopping din, no? Nakadalawang sapatos, oh. Bumili ng dalawang sapatos. Shopping galore. Busy na, busy na. Friday. Weekend na naman bukas. Alis na rin kami. Wala nang mapaglagan yung tiyan ko. Busog na busog. Okay, sa Hongdae. Hongdae. From Myeongdong to Hongdae naman kami. Friday na ngayon. Friday. Weekend tomorrow. Tayo. Papa, go there, Papa. Hongdae. We are here in Hongdae. Nawawala na yung mga anak ko. Shopping for more.
You lost it?
Yeah. Shopping pa more. Friday. Shopping. Daming tao. Pag Friday pala dito, mas maraming shops, so. Mamaya ka sa akin. Hongdam.
지금까지 원합시를 보지 못했었고 여기서 가져갈 수 있는 기분과 많은 참가 부탁드립니다. 자, 너무 좋은 내용 반갑습니다.
What are they doing here? Dart? To play kami darts.
And then you can order.
What do you want?
We're gonna play darts. Darts in Hongdae. Napagod na kami mag-shopping.
Next one. City.
Let it go. Just let it go. Yummy ice.
It's your, that's your boat?
When it's your birthday, you have to buy your own cake here. And treat all your friends here.
To Gokchang?
Yeah, oh wow.
You can eat them all.
Gokchang.
There you go.
Here, free piercing.
What? Yes. Hongdae Gokchang. So, dito na nagtatapos ang aming pamamasyal dito sa Hongdae. So, ayan. Wala na. Tapos na. Uwi na kami. Mamimiss ko na agad ang Hongdae at Myeongdong at ang Seoul. Miss Myeongdong. Ready to go. Heading to the airport.